Dear students, today I am discussing the different parts of computer and its use. Look at page number 3 of your textbook. Okay. We know that a computer has many different parts such as input device, output device and processing device. Now we know the details about these devices. At first, input device. What is input device? An input device is a device that helps us to enter data into the computer. An input device is a device that helps us to enter data into the computer. What to be data? What to be data? It can be letters, pictures, sounds, etc. Remember one thing, the devices that are used to instruct the computer are the input devices. Examples of some input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, light pen, barcode reader, etc. Okay, now output device. What is output device? Devices that can be used to print or display any information contained in a computer is called output device. Devices that can be used to print or display any information contained in a computer is called output device. Examples of some output devices are monitor, printer, plotter, speaker, etc. Okay. Then processing device. An example of a processing device is CPU. An example of a processing device is CPU. What is the full form of CPU? What is the full form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. This is called the brain of the computer. This is called the brain of the computer. This device is the main hardware component of a computer. This device is the main hardware component of a computer. All parts of the computer system are connected to the CPU. All parts of the computer system are connected to the CPU. Then we will know how the computer works. Then we will know how the computer works. In this case, you will remember the IPO cycle. IPO cycle. IPO means I means input, P means process, O means output. In fact, the computer works in 3 steps. it takes data as input, it processes the input according to the instructions given, and it gives result as output. Okay. Now I am discussing the use of computer. Listen carefully. You all know where computers are used today, not so? Where computers are used today? In home, in business, in education, in banking system, in hospital services, in government sector office. The use of computer can be seen in these places. Okay. At home. Today you are typing at home with the computer, playing games, watching movies, surfing the internet, how much more? A computer with an internet connection is really useful for a business. School and colleges around the world are using computers and internet technologies to teach students digitally. Schools and colleges around the world are using computers and internet technologies to teach students digitally. Today, banking is almost totally dependent on computers. Nowadays, banking is almost totally dependent on computers. Deposits, withdrawals, passbook update, money transfer are all now done through computers. Deposits, withdrawals, passbook update, money transfer are all now done through computers. And ATM services. And there is nothing to say about the use of computer for ATM services. Today, computers are also used in hospitals for health services. Today, computers are also used in hospitals for health services. Digital X-ray, brain scan, MRI, eye checkup are all now done through computer. Computers play an important role in government services. Some major fields in this category are budgets, sales tax department, income tax department, etc. Insurance companies are keeping all records up to date with the help of computers. Procedure to continue with policies, starting date of the policies, next due installment of a policy, maturity date, interest rules, etc. Okay. Okay. Next day I will discuss about hardware and software. Okay. Bye and